Hello, today we will guide you through how to create flows, and keywords on ManyChat Messenger. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to build a simple automation from scratch and connect it to a keyword trigger so your bot can respond when someone sends a specific word or phrase. This is a useful starting point for setting up automated replies inside ManyChat Messenger. Begin from the Home tab in your ManyChat account. This is your main dashboard where you can access the tools needed to create and manage automations. Once you're there, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Automation. This section is where flows, triggers, and messaging logic are organized. After opening Automation, click on New Automation. This starts the process of creating a brand new workflow. On the next screen, choose Start from Scratch in the top right area. Starting from scratch gives you full control over how the flow is built, which is especially helpful when you want to create a custom keyword response instead of using a template. Once the blank automation opens, click on New Trigger. Triggers determine what action starts the flow. In this case, you'll select User Sends a Message. That option tells ManyChat to begin the automation when a person sends something through Messenger. Next, choose Detect Specific Words in a Message. This setting lets you define a keyword or phrase that the system should listen for. In the keyword field, enter a sample keyword. You can use any word that fits your use case, but it's best to choose something simple, relevant, and easy for users to remember. This will become the term that activates the automation when someone messages it. After the keyword is in place, click on Messenger. This is where you'll set up the response that users will receive after the keyword is detected. Then enter a sample message. This message is what your audience will see when they trigger the flow, so keep it clear, helpful, and aligned with the purpose of the automation. For example, you may want it to welcome the user, confirm their request, or guide them to the next step. As a final tip, before using your flow in a live setting, review the keyword spelling and the reply message carefully. Even a small typo can affect how the automation performs. Once everything looks right, your basic flow and keyword setup in ManyChat Messenger is ready to go.